It's here. I appreciate the help, Coco. I appreciate the help. Let's see. What does this beautiful boy look like? Ooh, he's looking clean. It looks good. Yay, the first part. They left it outside, by the way. I could have been out there all morning and I didn't even know. I'm glad nobody like drove by and was like, that's a big box. People steal. People do steal. So I think this is the power supply. It feels really freaking light. Like it's something else. It's the SSD, yeah. That's weird. Today was supposed to be the power supply. I am so confused because this is supposed to come tomorrow. Honestly, the whole Corona thing is causing every online shipping to be weird and it's freaking me out. I heard you barking. Did the UPS man come? And did he deliver my power supply? Oh yeah. Wait, Newegg? Wait, what? Why is everything coming weird days? Is this the motherboard? If we got the motherboard, then my entire calendar is off by like a day. No, it's just off completely. There it is. Oh my God. Yeah, that's the power supply. Hello. My favorite. I got the 500 watt, don't add me. Now, the surprise package that I wasn't expecting. Awesome is here. Yeah! It's the freaking motherboard. What are you doing here? You weren't supposed to come until tomorrow. Oh crap. Yeah, there it is. There's the CPU. Oh, here. A gift from me to you. Appreciate it. We got the GPU. This was the part I was worried about for like years because I didn't know if it was coming or not. My workspace is gonna be a mess. Keep in mind, I haven't built a PC in years, so everything's gonna be wrong. There's no room! So you see this boy here? That's our little bracket. Aha! Hopefully that's not upside down.
Oh, it really is like a little city.
See? This is the scariest part. See this monster? Look at this thing. Is it gonna fit? I hope it fits. We're gonna worry about him later. Here's the little chip. Beautiful. See all those? If one bends, I'm screwed. Don't push, drop. He fell into place. Now for the part I have no idea about. I don't know how to put this in. I'm sweating, are you sweating? Working hard here. There we go. That took a lot longer than it should have for a damn CPU cooler. There we go. There's actually one more thing. The fan's RGB, so he has lights. So he's pretty. All right. Motherboard's almost done. We just gotta stick the RAM in there. Beautiful. I don't know how to stick it in there. This case is giving me cancer. We took a break to eat, and I came back and I'm like, ugh. I'm guessing next, we'll do power supply. I think I've run into another issue with this case. I found some extra screws, cause I guess I needed more screws. I don't know what happened. It told me to take the ones off of the bracket and put them on the power supply like this. But then it didn't tell me where to get the other screws from. But I took the ones from the motherboard that came with the motherboard, and they should fit the same bracket because they look exactly the same. So hopefully that works out. If not, oof. And now we just gotta line up the holes. All right. All right. All that's left is the storage and the capture card, and we're done. I've never done this, but I've heard it's stupid easy. It's gotta go in this one, because if I stick it in this one, it's gonna disable some stuff I have plugged in later. There it is. I can't, my hands. This fan does not fit in this case. So now, all that's left, God, what a mess. All that's left is the graphics card. You ready? This is the piece that's gonna let me stream, finally, in some high quality. Now, how do these come out? Uh-oh.
I bent the camera to get a better angle and the tripod broke.
I don't think it fits. Excuse me? What do you mean it doesn't fit? I'm too tired for this. Are you ready? I've been sitting here. It won't go in. There's a cover on the graphics card. We're cable managing. And you're helping a lot. because I can't fit anything in here. See that? That's where all the cables go. What did you guys like about the build? My parts when it didn't work. We're done, supposedly. I'm gonna plug this into the TV in the living room. And hopefully everything's being registered. So like it's catching the CPU, the GPU, the RAM, everything. And we're gonna see if it's running hot or cold or it's gonna blow up. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Hello. I've been here for another 2 hours trying to get the PC to boot up. It finally did, but I might have found why it's not booting up. You notice there's a stick of RAM not on?
What do you mean? Oh.
Either that one's the issue. I'm gonna turn it off again. Try to see if I could turn that one on. If it stops working again, I got a dud piece of RAM that I'm gonna have to send back.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay. It wasn't the RAM stick. It just wanted to fight me for an hour. And it took me a whole day to get this thing running.
I think
so tired.
it's been like 8 hours.
Yeah. This PC build did not go as easily as I thought it would. Oh god, that coke hits harder when you're dying. It's been about 3 days with this damn PC, and it's amazing. I'm so happy. Like, I can finally stream effectively. That was the goal of this, was to stream right. Just stream nicely. And I got no more stress when it comes to that, so I appreciate that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below for the streams, because I do that every day now. And yeah, I appreciate you watching. So, bye-bye. I don't know how to record YouTube videos anymore. Send help. They really are different things, and it freaks me out.